is a cafe, so I'm gonna show you guys the whole Russell Cafe. Yan. So this is along the neighborhood. And it's it. So meron dito sa gilid ng chicken house. So hi kuya, hi ate. Hi. So you're on vlog, guys. So and this is a Harong Cafe. So binisita namin to give support to our friends. At the same time, na matikman na rin yung kanilang famous products and coffee. So, tingnan natin. It's just a small space, pero napaka-cool ng kanyang place. So, it's Garden Space Cafe. Meron sila ditong private room. And ito, pakita ko na rin sa inyo yung private room. So, with some memento from their customers, mga notes ng customers. So let's have one. This one, love never fails. If it fails, it was here. It was never love. Ganda, mga iniwan ng mga customers as their memento souvenir. So check natin yung inside. Yung room nila, dining room sa loob. Ayan. So, pwede ka dito mag-special event. Mayroon na doon nag-event dito. So, ang ganda ng kanilang design. And let's see the other areas. Pwede ka dito mga card games. They have card games. May sungka. Yan. Balik ng maayos. And see, yung dun tayo sa may area naman ng counter. So, ito yung sa counter. Merong nook. So, pwede kang sa amin is malampiga. So, dyan maupo. Sa couch. Chairs. Mga garden designs, plants. So, and the counter. So, ito na yung counter niya. So, anong in-order ninyo dyan? Yan, merong biscuit. Meron ng fan ng cafe, si Cherilyn. Hello, Cherilyn. Ano ba sabi mo? Nanggaling pa yan sa malayong lugar ng Bulacan. At Bulacan din naman dito kasi San Jose del Monte itong lugar na to. Pero ito. My friend, si Eileen. So, dito na tayo. And we came here to have some ideas of how they put up this business, cafe business, and also to give us ideas na rin kung saan galing yung mga suppliers nila, yung mga supplies, and paano sila nag-start up. Yan na ba yung sa amin? Not yet. Hindi pa yung sa amin to. So, ito po yung ito yung kay si Yaya, kay Cherilyn. Okay, kay Cherilyn to. So, pwede ko nang kunin yung kay Cherilyn. Ayan. And yung kitchen nila, pakita natin si Bon. Hi, Bon. Hi. So, yan ba yung order ko na carbonara? Yes po, ma'am. Okay. So, and the counter. Ang daming customers, guys. Creamy carbonara, French fries. So, may extra plate na binigay si Bon. Coming pa ang aming orders. And let's taste this. This is sour cream. French fries. Pero meron kaming hiningi pa rin 2 flavors. So, ito yung barbecue and the cheese.
Ham and cheese po.
The ham and cheese.
And saucer burger sandwich.
Saucer burger sandwich.